afternoon, my lovely people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are in the city of Guangzhou in China. Today we are leaving the city and we are heading to the capital. It's a really long journey, a 22-hour journey. Actually, I was out here to take some food for myself for my train journey. I'm sure we won't get any vegetarian or vegan meat in train, so I was just looking for some vegetarian food. I've just checked out of the hotel as well. We're just booking a cab now, and then we head to the railway station. Yo, we've arrived at Guangzhou East Railway Station, where we were 2 days back. That's where I'd come. So it costed me around $125 for a first class sleeper ticket to Beijing. It's a 22-hour journey. Let's head to the securities. I'm really excited for this train journey because it'll be the first time ever I'll be traveling in a Chinese train. It's not a bullet train. The station is pretty large. I mean, it's so huge here, and it's clean as well. The lady comes in after every few minutes to clean the floor. I'm just waiting near the gate. Once it starts boarding, I'll also board the train. And the station also seems like an airport. I mean, you go through security check here as well. There's a screening done, and you need to scan your passport. Or if you're a citizen, you need to scan the ID card which you have with you. It's a pretty simple, easy to understand process. There are indicators everywhere, so you will not get lost. However, few things are written only in Chinese and not English. So you have to go, like you just have to assume, or you can ask someone. Bye bye. We'll go to gate number 3. The train has arrived. And how stupid of me that I was waiting at the queue, in the queue to get the paper tickets, wherein I had booked an e-ticket through trip.com. I just got to know when I opened the app, because I downloaded the app only today in the morning. Yesterday I booked it from the website. So the ticket came on my email ID. But then I didn't have the coach and the seat number written there. So I thought maybe I have to go at the counters to get that. And the lady also gave me the paper ticket, and when I was seated in the waiting lounge, I just opened the app, and there I checked, it was already written, all the details were there. So guys, it's very convenient through trip.com to book train tickets, flight tickets, and hotel bookings. You get great discounts also. We're boarding the train now. That's 10 minus 11. This is how the first class looks like. excited for this journey. It's a 22-hour train journey to Beijing, and we'll be stopping. This is how the first class looks like. 1, 2, 3. I'm the first one to arrive. Whoa. Mine is the upper berth. This one would be mine. So we get everything, yeah? Pillow, blankets. Train departs at 15:40. It's 15:30 at the moment. This is the lavatory here. That's me. Safety equipment. You can also take drinking water from here. This is the compartment to store your luggage. We've got engine toilet here and dressing area. This is another compartment. Really nice. Oh, the doors have shut. We'll start in a while now. No one has come yet. I don't know if someone will come or no. I'm okay both ways, yeah. We got everything. I mean, they give us pillow, blankets, coat hanger to hang your coat. We've got socket, Wi-Fi here. This is to control, illumination control, air vent control, okay, for air conditioning. This is to control the volume of the speaker, of the lady talking. And yeah, we've got slippers also here. And train has started. It's a 22 hours journey to Beijing. I'm very excited about this. It'll be my first time here experiencing the train journey in China, and we'll be covering a distance of approximately 2,200 kilometers, yeah, in the span of 22 hours. And I was just going through, mute this. You've got a sitting area here as well. If you get tired inside, you can have a seat here. We say goodbye to Guangzhou. We can eat this. I think this is a fruit. What is this? Okay, let me buy this. No meat? Don't eat. No meat.
那没有素食。
哎，像手机上不是有好多人装有翻译的吗？
这个
No
甜玉
vegetarian.
米没有，
Okay. This?
没有。
Okay. Give me this. We'll have fruits.
Wow.
This is the chair car. We go sitting, and there's a pantry area here. Alright. We've got mango and apple to eat. We'll eat that.
A few moments later.
This is the station that we've stopped at. Okay, okay. This is. You told me to get in, it'll get shut. It won't stop for long actually. Alright, I'm ready. We'll be reaching in next few minutes. Finally the capital of China, that's Beijing. And I must say, I had a really great time here. And it was a good decision to travel by train. The train is so clean and the staff comes in every few hours to clean everything. So they maintain hygiene. I'm really impressed. And they've got CCTV everywhere in the train. So there's no chance of any theft or anything over here. Alright, I'm just cross checking if I haven't left anything. Wow! I've arrived at Beijing. I've arrived at Beijing. Finally, the train journey comes to an end. This was the train. Let's get out of the station and look for a taxi.